This is a guide on basic inputting of programming. First of all, head to the Programming tab in the menu and click on New Program. Here you'll be guided to put in a scheduled date for the program and also attach a class or classes to it. If you choose individual, you can attach the program to a customer and that will take you through to personal programming. Today we're going to do it for a class. I've already input the program, so I'm going to just head back there and I'm going to walk you through that. I've done a program for functional fitness and you can see it's all laid out here, and this is the view that both the coach will get and the customer, but the customer will not get the coach notes. I'm going to click on Edit and Next. When you come to this screen initially, all you will see are two blank sections with programming notes and coach's notes. You need to add components in to input the programming. Start by adding component here and select Warm-Up, Strength, WOD, EMOM, or Custom, where you can create your own component. Today I've created a warm-up, a strength component, a workout, and a custom one for the cool down. I'm going to walk you through that. I've started with a warm-up, which gives you basic instructions. This will be viewable for your athlete and the coaches. I've moved into a strength component. This is a primer for the workout, which I'm using the clean for. However, I have attached it to a movement so they can have a record of this data. This means if they do their 5 sets of 3 at their 80%, this will create a graph, and the next time they do this lift, it will save that data, and as they go along, it will continue to do so. Today, I'm actually going to mark this little icon here, which is the eye, so they don't see this part, but they just see the workout. For the instructions, I'm going to just let them know that they are doing 5 sets of 3 cleans at 80%. This means this will pull through to the scoring whiteboard, but the instructions only will be present when they view the workout. Next component is the WOD. When I click through to this, it will show either a choice of custom or named. Custom is your own, and you can choose your scoring method, anything from rounds and reps all the way down to not scored or multiple scores. If you select named, this will pull from our bank of workouts, which you can see in the programming tab along the top. You can add your own custom workouts to this as well. If I was to choose a named workout, it will populate it as so. For the custom workout, I have stuck with 5 rounds for time, 15 burpees, 10 pull-ups, and 5 cleans, which I have put a weight beside. Therefore, I'm going to choose RX for my scoring option. Down below, I have added another component for a cool down, and I've added instructions to that. For the programming notes, this is something everyone will see, the coaches and the athletes. I've put in my intended stimulus for the day. For the coaches' notes, these are notes that only the coaches will see. If I want to preview this, I click on Preview. I have a look. I've pulled in my videos, which you can turn on in programming under settings, and I'm going to save this. This will take me back to my calendar, and you can now see my program saved on the workout calendar.